Good morning, everyone. Ethan Stieber here with Stieber Weather Forecasting. Wanted to bring you an update on the really hot weather that we're going to see this week. It's going to be muggy, it's going to be humid, it's going to be a little oppressive. So, first off, with the heat this week, make sure you take your extra precautions. Drink lots of water, stay inside or under the shade as much as possible. If you do have to be outside, wear light-colored clothing, drink plenty of fluids, and take as much shade as you can throughout the day. First off, we're going to talk temperatures. Up on your screen right now, you can see we've got the forecast high temperatures for every day. We're going to go Monday through Thursday, and we're going to kind of time this out for you. So for today, we're looking to top off in the lower 90s across the area. Notice we do have a little cooler blob down here. I'll talk about that here in just a second. Tuesday, much of the same thing, highs around 90, maybe just a touch under. Wednesday, the 90s are back. Everyone pretty well is in the mid to upper 90, or at least lower to mid 90s. And by Thursday, that heat really starts to build, and it looks like we could see a reinforcing shot of that heat as we go into the weekend. The heat indices are going to be definitely a factor as well this weekend, or throughout this work week. That's what's really going to make it feel oppressive. The heat index values for today are going to be well over 100 this afternoon. By tomorrow, we're looking at the middle 90s for heat index values. Wednesday, much the same thing, mid 90s for the heat indices. And by Thursday, again, lower to mid 90s. So you can tell this stretch of hot weather is not going anywhere. It doesn't look like it's going anywhere for a while. We do see that ridge of high pressure situated down here in the southeastern United States, and what that's doing is that's pumping in that warm Gulf of Mexico air as the wind spin counterclockwise in there, or spin clockwise rather, sucks up that air from the Gulf of Mexico and brings in that warm, moist air that is just going to kind of act as a dome over top of us and just kind of keep that heat trapped in. Now, I mentioned for the Monday forecast, notice we do see this cooler blob. What that is we're going to see a daily chance of some showers and thunderstorms pop up, at least here for the next couple days. We'll time this out for you on future radar so you can kind of get an idea what we're looking at. We're going to pick this up, let's see, bump this ahead just a little bit. We're going to pick this up at noon today, or 1 p.m. rather. We do see a little bit of showers and thunderstorm development off to our south in southeastern Missouri. Now, these showers and thunderstorms are going to be very sporadic in nature. It's about a 10 to 20% chance each day that we could see some of these hit or miss showers and thunderstorms. But if you get one camped out over top of you, we could see a little bit of rain out of this. Nothing major, of course, but we do see the chance every day for some hit and miss showers and thunderstorms. So if we time this out, we'll go hour by hour into the future. This is 1 p.m., 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice we could see some showers starting to bubble up just to our southwest. And as we go through the evening hours, we'll stop this at midnight. Notice maybe a little bit of light shower activity, maybe some more organized thunderstorms down around Evansville. As we go through the overnight hours, again, some of those will bubble up and lift off to the north. Same story for tomorrow. I think a lot of what you're seeing here is not so much in the way of any showers or thunderstorms, but maybe some really light precip. If anything, sometimes these models tend to show it a little bit heavier in terms of where that rain could be. So, again, Tuesday, chance of some hit or miss showers as we go throughout the evening hours. We'll stop this at midnight on Tuesday night, notice. Maybe a couple light showers and thunderstorms, but the big line of storms is off to our west. That does not look to impact us as it'll kind of hit that dome of high pressure and move on. So as we go through the rest of the day on Wednesday, notice can't rule out a light shower or thunderstorm pop up, but I really don't see it as a big possibility, especially as we go later into the week. That dome of high pressure is going to stick around for a while. And speaking of sticking around for a while, if we look at the 6 to 10 day temperature probability, this takes us almost to the end of the month. This is June 22nd through June 26th. So into next week. Notice well above average temperatures across the area as we go through the 8 to 14 day. This will take us through the end of the month. We still stay above average for our temperatures. Precip looks to stay slightly above average as well. Again, on the 6 to 10 day, this is June 22 to 26. And through June 30th, we stay just slightly above average. So overall, the hot and muggy weather will continue. Stay safe if you are outside today, or the rest of this week, rather. Stay safe outside. Drink plenty of water if you do have to go outside. Try to avoid the main heating of the day. You know, the time frame between about 10 a.m. and about 6 p.m. Really is the best time. If you can avoid being outside, that is the best. So again, hot and muggy temperatures continue throughout the week. Stay safe and watch out for those potential spotty rain chances each afternoon.